In this video, I will show you how easy it is to add online maps to your DJI RC. This is a different video than what I originally planned. I was actually planning to go outside and fly the drone to show you some of the beautiful snow landscape outside, but it is so freaking cold right now, so I decided to stay indoor, as this feature with the offline maps are easy demoable from within my office. With the release of this baby, the DJI Mini 3, we got as usual a software update that applies to all the other drones as well. Apart from adding support to DJI Mini 3, we got an additional feature that I have been looking forward to for a long time: offline maps. In the past, when you got on a location, you had to use your phone as a hotspot to be able to get map data for the area that you're flying. It will be a lot easier if the maps are already installed on the controller. This is possible now with the latest firmware update for the DJI RC. It works across drones, but I will demo it on the Mini 3 Pro, as this one is getting a little bit sad because it's just been left there for the last couple of videos on the shelf over there. And it doesn't need to be like that, as it's still one of my favorite drones. The firmware also fixes some minor bugs, which basically is a bucket for all the stuff that is minor that didn't make it to a separate headline. So the first thing that you need to do is to connect the controller to Wi-Fi. And once you are sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection, you go back here to the front screen. Then you go under Profile. Then I press Online Maps. And then I get access to the world map, where I have to pinch into the location where I am. This is because we're inside and there's no GPS reception for the drone. So let's zoom into the area that we want to download, and what you can see, there's a small rectangle that appears, and let's see if I can actually find out where I am. So I'm in Fredensborg, so I can just position this square on top of Fredensborg. So I can see that the selected map size is around 3.1 megabyte. So if I press download, I get a chance to rename this, so I will call it Fredensborg, and then I simply press yes, and this will go pretty fast depending on your internet speed. Unfortunately, there's no way of adjusting the size of this box, so if you need more areas than what is currently selected, you have to repeat the exercise. Once you have downloaded the selected areas, you can press downloads. Then you can see the areas that you have downloaded in a nice list. And here you have the option to either rename or delete them. So to show you the maps are actually here, we start by going in here in the menu, and then we are disabling the Wi-Fi. So now the controller is not connected to anything other than the drone. Then we can press the map icon down here and press on the map, and then do the same exercise again. Zoom into the area where I am right now, Fredensborg. Now you can see a detailed map is available for that area. Bear in mind, this does not work particularly well with the satellite images. So the file only, as far as I can see, contains the map data. And we can test this out by just pressing satellite and then just pinch in to see the details here. See? It's like a Minecraft world. So I guess this feature is only related to the 2D maps. It would be nice if DJI decided that we could scale the square to a custom size, so we could download a bigger area in one chunk. So what do you think? Is it a useful feature? Let me know in the comments. By the way, have you seen the full review of the DJI Mini 3 that I made here on the channel? It's quite comprehensive. In case you missed that one, you can access it through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.